Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one woman wey born at the age of 55 years. They say what God cannot do does not exist. You wey don lose hope for life, waiting say all hope don lost, my dear sister. Hope never lost oh. If you leave this woman on now, you go tap for her blessing. 55 years old wey born pikin, na very big joy. I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her. When I see the video, I say no, I must come congratulate this woman. Like, when I know how we did do, and I beg Mona share the video. I am so happy, like seriously. Say a 55 years old woman born pikin is a very big joy. It's a very bundle of joy. This woman be don't lose hope for life, but God still do one for him, you know. What God cannot do does not exist. Pastor Jerry always said what God cannot do does not exist, because really, if now some people they don't rest, they not they believe say miracle go happen like this, you know. For me, it take only miracle to happen like this, because 55 years old don't enter menopause. Now only by the grace of God, now 55 years old till they born pikin. I am so happy for her when I saw her when she did dance today. And it take a good man to really get patient with you too. Some men go just run say no, but this woman own, her husband still stand by her. You know, I they always talk and say, if God give you your husband, no matter what, he will stay with you. And my own I say no, you understand? No matter what, he will stay with you. You see, this woman not born pikin for when she did young age, she married. She not born pikin. He with her husband still did together. The man not stay because he not born pikin may he leave her. No, he still dey with her. Is that one not a joy? That one not be happiness? He not come out. He still stay. Until the woman come born pikin at the age of 55 years old. Oh, now what to be 55? Not be 50. Not be 20 or 30 or 55. I am so happy for her. Like, I am so happy. Congratulations, my sister. God will do your way. Go do everybody. Congratulations. Because before you born this pikin, I know say many mock. People don't mock you with pikin. People don't do so many things. But God say no. Say now it's time. It's comfortable time. Now He go to give you that pikin. And God can really do am. God will give you this one. Will give you more again. You'll still born am. I am so happy for you, my sister. Please join me to congratulate this beautiful woman, because it's not really easy. Congratulate her. Cause so that congratulations don't go see seats for your house. Thank you, my people. Bye.
I tell you, see, cannot be all those people when you go to key egg for say which they call them, for say river. You understand? You don't do anything for say river. If you follow me exchange word too much, my dear, you don't like me. You understand? You know, so you all know the pastor, they go to key egg, go they do sacrifice for say river. You understand? Me, I not did that one. You understand me? I not did that one. If you do anything stupid, I just purposely want you to delete that video based on people coming from Nigeria. My family members call me, my aunties, my in-laws, they call me. So I don't want to go to follow and go to exchange for social media. You understand? The difference is clear. A big persona for real. You understand? So I had to watch your video just now. You didn't insult me yesterday. I watched your video. So I don't want to follow and do saga. If you say your head is hot, people dey when your head hot pass your own for that your city when you dey. You understand? So no forget, say I know your background from your grassroots. You they call me your pikin. Who be your pikin? I don't understand. They call me your pikin. Wait, my change. I will come for you. They call me your pikin. You understand? They call me your pikin. Who be your pikin? You don't know your pikin. I don't understand. If you try, you know, cause you know the pass juju. You understand? You want the pass juju. Me no dey for all those juju matter. If you fuck up with me, you know how to take craze for this thing. You understand? I'm not there for all those your matter where you go to key egg. You go to use your egg, go to the if you get sense, you know say all those Africa juju know they work for Isaiah River for Europe. You understand? All river get the way where their juju to they work. Europe get the way they serve their juju. You understand? So Europe get the way they worship their river. Don't be you call use Africa mentality, call they use them for Europe or here. You know they work, You understand? I go back I'll boss it where. You see, I say go affect it for this side. If you try me, I will tell you say you dey learn. Now where you want for stop and the other person you want for start. You understand? So you better just stay clear from this matter. You understand? As I don't rest for issue, I don't rest for saga. I know the fan viewers, I know the fan followers, I know the fan wash hour. You understand? Be big boy. As you can see the kind of work when they work. My work and your work when you dey work at supermarket not be the same. You understand? I big pass you. I get one dog for this Europe. You understand? My in-laws they go vex say I do this video today, but my in-laws, my family member they go vex say I do this video today. But if I reach us in the evening, if people don't see her, if people don't see her, I go carry everything, I'll kind of come down. You understand? But I want to also warn you, may you not try her. If you try and use spiritual for me, say you want to go there, try yourself, and then you know the kind of person when I be. You understand? Many of my friends never know me, and some of my friends obviously they say they talk for this matter. When I'm mad, they talk for the issue because I don't know what they play. And I understand. So I say you'll be. Me, I don't get joy for anybody. You understand? I don't get joy. You understand? I see thank God some women, so you see they see the platform, they don't see know, they don't see get sense. Nobody call me, they insult me. You understand? I get really see they don't see get sense. You no get it come back for you. You no worry. No get it come for you. You go sound. Yeah. You understand? So me don't close for work, so now that's how they go. No be child's play. No be all those people they clean mouth. I don't close for work. What time I want to go work for? See what how they work. I come outside. This thing. I don't close for work. So you better just stop. It's better just stop. As I don't like you, so as I don't like you, you also have to just stop all those rubbish when you do. I'm not there for all those your money. I'm not there. When you stop all those issues when you call the follow me, call the wrong. If you follow me, do I'll tell you some people do it crazy pass you for this Europe. Understand? So I'm not the fan viewers, I'm not the fan followers, I'm not the fan all those kind of things. How many people you don't help? When you talk, how many people you don't help? You get money. You get money, you get people to move.